In this video, I will show you how to change Google Maps from Arabic to English. So if you want to change your Google Maps in language from Arabic to English, then this is what you need to do. So let's open our Google Maps. And then as you can see right now, everything is in Arabic. And if you want to change the app language, then it is no longer able to do in the settings icon. For this, you need to go to the settings of your phone. So let's go ahead and click on settings of our phone. And as you can see, I'm on an iPhone, so it is like this in my case. But if you're on Android, just head over to your settings and then go to the settings of Google Maps. And for that, I'm going to click on apps all the way at the bottom. And then I'm going to search for Google Maps, click on Google Maps in here, and then at the bottom you see preferred language. And right now it is set to Arabic, but if you want to change this, then I'm going to just click on English in here. And once I do that and open my app again, then as you can see, everything will automatically be set to English. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.